Are you looking for the ES Portable standing desks? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 ES Portable standing desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, KLSMYHOKI Portable Standing Desk. The KLSMYHOKI Portable Standing Desk is an adjustable height mobile workstation designed for home office use. Measuring 16 x 31.5, it offers a height range of 27 to 43.5. Allowing you to switch comfortably between sitting and standing positions. Its sturdy steel frame and reinforced tabletop provide stability, while 4 lockable wheels make it easy to move and secure in place. Compact and versatile, it is suitable for laptops, computers, or mobile devices, making it ideal for small spaces. The desk's mobility and adjustable design enhance ergonomic comfort, though its narrower depth may limit workspace for multiple devices or accessories, and full extension may be less stable compared to premium standing desks. Number 2, DUMOS Small Standing Desk. The DUMOS Small Standing Desk is a compact mobile workstation designed for home office use, featuring a height-adjustable surface that allows comfortable transitions between sitting and standing. It comes with 4 caster wheels, 2 of which lock for stability, making it easy to move and secure in place. The desk has a sturdy H-shaped metal base and a durable MDF tabletop with a depth of approximately 19 inches, making it ideal for small spaces. Easy to assemble and versatile, it is best suited for laptops or light setups, with a weight capacity of around 33 lbs, and its modern white finish adds a sleek, minimalist look to any workspace. Number 3, BONTEC Mobile Foldable Standing Desk. The BONTEC Mobile Foldable Standing Desk is a compact portable workstation suitable for home, office, bedroom, or medical use. It features a gas spring height adjustment mechanism, allowing easy transitions between sitting and standing, with a height range of approximately 29.7 to 43.7. The 25.6 and x 19.7 tabletop folds for space-saving storage, while lockable caster wheels provide smooth mobility and stability when in use. Designed for laptops or light monitor setups with a load capacity of around 27 lows, its modern white finish and minimal footprint make it ideal for small spaces, though it may be less suitable for heavier multi-monitor configurations. Number 4, COMHOMA Small Standing Desk. The COMHOMA Small Standing Desk is a versatile mobile workstation designed for home office use or light treadmill setups. It features a height-adjustable range of 30.7 to 46.4, allowing comfortable transitions between sitting and standing. The desktop is tiltable from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, making it suitable for typing, reading, drawing, or watching, with a secure locking mechanism to hold the angle. Equipped with smooth PU caster wheels with one-touch locks, the desk is easy to move and stabilize. Built with sturdy materials, including FSC certified wood, it supports up to 176 volts in 80 Hz. Its modern white design and compact footprint make it ideal for small spaces, offering a flexible and ergonomic solution for various work or exercise setups. Number 5, Rfiver Rolling Lectern Standing Desk. The Rfiver Rolling Lectern Podium Mobile Standing Desk is a versatile mobile workstation suitable for home, office, or classroom use. It features a height-adjustable range of approximately 40s to 48s, accommodating different standing heights. The top surface tilts up to about 40 degrees, making it ideal for laptops, presentation materials, or light monitor setups, and a built-in shelf provides additional storage. Equipped with smooth rolling lockable casters, the desk can be easily moved and secured in place. Its sturdy steel frame and welded base ensure stability, while cable management options help keep cords organized, making it a practical solution for portable computing and presentation needs.